Hello guys, welcome back once again. Here I simplify physics and make problem solving easy. So if you're ready to understand physics, instead of memorizing it, let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, okay? Follow the channel wherever you're watching from. Let's go there, alright? So let's go there. In this circuit, you notice that this aspect of the circuit is parallel, okay? Then from here is series. So the parallel circuit here is in series with 4 ohms and 5 ohms. So let me label my resistors that I have in the circuit. I can put this as R1. This is my R2. This is my R3, and let me call this as R4. Okay, so let me start with the parallel circuit. So what I have here is my R3, which is parallel to R4. What is the principle of resistance in parallel? What I'm going to have is this resist, that's the RP, right? The total resistance in parallel, I use RP to represent it. The total resistance in parallel is equal to 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. Like I said, the principle is if I have more than this, I will continue. Okay, so what I'm going to have is 1 over RP equal to my R3 is what? 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. Okay, in this case, this is a simple fraction where I am going to look for the LCM, which is 6. So here is 6. 3 into 6, how many times? 2 times. 2 times 1, I have 2, plus 2 into 6, how many times? 3 times. 3 times 1, I have 3. Okay, so what I'm going to have here as 1 over RP is equal to this plus this. I'm going to have 5 over 6. Okay, now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross multiply and make RP the subject. So this times this, I'm going to have 5 RP. 1 times this equal to 6. 1 times 6 is 6. Next thing is divide both sides by 5 to make RP the subject. So here is by 5, here is by 5. Okay, this will cancel this. What I'm going to have as my RP, as total resistance in parallel of this circuit, is 6 over 5 ohms, right? Good. So let's proceed from here now, and my circuit is going to become like this. Let me just redraw the circuit like this. Good. Now this aspect now is my RP, this is my R1, and this is my R2. You notice that they are in series now. So what is the principle of resistance in series? I will just add everything together. So R total now is going to be RP plus R1 plus R2. Okay, let me solve it here. So my R total is going to be my RP is what? 6 over 5. I have 6 over 5 plus R1 is 4 plus R2 is 5. Okay, good. This plus this will give me 9. So what I'm going to have is R total 6 over 5 plus 9. Next thing is I'm going to find the LCM. This is over 1. So the LCM is 5. Okay, 5 into 5, 1. 1 times 6, I have 6 here, plus, so 1 into 5 is 5. 5 times 9, I have 45. Okay, so I'll add this. My R total is equal to 6 plus 45. This will give me 51 over 5 ohms, right? Now this is in improper fraction. Okay, next thing I'll change it to a mixed fraction, which is my R t now is going to be 5 divided by 55. I'm going to have 10 whole number 1 over 5 ohms. You see, very simple. Okay, you just apply the principle of a series circuit and a parallel circuit. Just be mindful of how you are going to perform your fraction. Is that clear? Okay, don't forget to like the video, share the video. Okay, bye.